Nestled in the western Ghats of Kerala, India, Munnar is a canvas painted with the hues of nature's finest palette. Today, we invite you to embark on a sensory journey through the undulating landscapes of Munnar's famed tea gardens. As the morning sun gently kisses the misty hills, revealing vast stretches of vibrant green, we find ourselves amidst the sprawling tea gardens that define the very essence of Munnar. The story of Munnar's tea gardens is one of determination and vision. Dating back to the late 19th century, British planners recognized the potential of this region, transforming it into one of the world's most picturesque and productive tea destinations. The heartbeat of Munnar's tea gardens lies in the rhythmic dance of skilled hands plucking the tender tea leaves. This delicate artistry, passed down through generations, is the soul of Munnar's renowned teas. Our connection with these hills runs deep. Each leaf we pluck carries the essence of this land, and it's a privilege to contribute to Munnar's rich tea legacy. Munnar's tea gardens are not just about cultivation, they're about sustainability and preserving the natural beauty that surrounds us. From the emerald fields, the journey of the tea leaves continues to the processing factories. Munnar's commitment to quality is evident in every step of the production process, ensuring that the tea that reaches your cup is nothing short of perfection. Munnar teas are celebrated for their unique flavor profiles, a symphony of floral notes, briskness, and a lingering sweetness. Each cup tells a story of the hills and the hands that nurtured the leaves. As the seasons change, so does the character of Munnar's tea gardens. From the lushness of monsoons to the golden hues of autumn, every visit to these plantations is a new chapter in the story of nature's bounty. The magic of Munnar's tea gardens extends beyond the plantations. It's a canvas that paints a serene backdrop for the adventurous traveler, inviting you to explore its trails, breathe in the crisp mountain air, and witness the magic of a landscape touched by the divine. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the tea-covered hills, we bid farewell to Munnar, a land where every sip of tea carries with it the beauty and tranquility of these majestic plantations. Feel free to customize and adapt the script to suit the specific themes or messages you want to convey in your documentary. I hope this script helps in capturing the essence of Munnar's tea gardens for your audience.